Coach, congratulations on this victory officially in the quarterfinals ng Cherry. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team today?
Marami pang dapat i-adjust. Though nanalo kami pero nire-ready pa rin namin yung team for quarterfinals. So may mga execution kami na talagang lumabas, especially at the net. Yung mga lapses na pinipilit namin itamaan doon pa rin. So talagang itatama ulit namin during training. So yun nga, ano naman namin yung discovery na control naman namin. Pero no first set medyo maganda yung rally ng loose. Pero pagdating ng mid ng first set yun medyo naka-timing lang ulit. Then diretso na.
Thank you, Coach. And for Kat, you had 28 points in this game. Just how happy are you with how the team's performing after this game?
I'm so proud of them. I admire their attitude and motivation to get back into the gym this week and really work hard. They really put some effort in this week, and I'm super proud of them.
Thank you, Kat. The floor is open.
Coach, ano lang po reason ba't hindi nakalaro si Ara?
Si Ara may slight strain siya sa left rotator cuff, I think, o sa shoulder niya. So, pinahinga lang muna namin siya kasi hindi na namin siya masyadong sugal itong ngayong araw na ito kasi mas meron pa mga importanteng games. I mean, yung presence niya mas kailangan dun sa mga susunod. So this time, para yung nakapokus kami this time kay Ces, Shaya, and Dapol. So yun sila muna mag-build up nung position na naiikutan ni Ara tsaka though andyan naman si Mylene. So Ara nagre-recover lang ng slide dun sa minor injury niya sa shoulder.
I forgot, you were dealing with some minor physical stoppages the past couple of weeks. How are you managing the need to rest as well in the midst of a very tight schedule and seeking playoff contentions?
I think this past has been a little bit difficult. Like I said, they've been really good about resting me. I think going into the last match, I think I missed like 5 days of practice, and I was only able to practice the day before the game. But again, I know my body. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm 100% when the time is right. So right now, I don't have to be 100%. I just need to make sure I'm working on the things I need to work on. But they're just really good about trying to keep me healthy and making sure that I'm ready to go towards the end. So that's the most important.
For Coach, ngayon nga po hindi na makakabalik si Kaya for this conference. Gano'n pa po kakumpiyansa na sa kung anong pinapakita nila Mylene, si Shaya, at Dapol po na kumbaga covered pa rin nila yung offensive. May kulang naman sa nila.
Well, yung kumpiyansa, kinukuha naman namin yan sa kung paano kami nag-prepare for certain match. So, number one is I think yung health nila, yung 100% na prepared yung katawan nila, so walang iniinda. Mas malaking confident para sa amin yun kasi nga alam namin makaka-perform sila sa maximum performance nila.
Coach, looking ahead lang sa quarterfinals, parang paano mo lang gusto makita sa team na it's not just si Kat yung sumuscore talaga ng big points na para talagang kalat yung offense yun talaga.
Definitely ang ano namin sa local, sila yung talagang backbone ng team. Pag nag-collapse yun, sigurado mahihirapan si Kat alone na to deliver. She can handle yung sarili niya. So pero yung output ng local yun talaga doon magde-determine kung kung saan kami pupunta yung team.
Coach, coming off sa Chocomucho previously, paano lang ang instructions niya sa team na sa ganitong crucial moments hindi na pwede yung maulit pa yung mga pagkakamali from previous?
Those, especially sa match ng Chocomucho, everybody's game. We're not into it, especially ng first 2 sets. Na-overrun kami ni Chocomucho that time, so unstable first ball. Yung service namin, very soft serve. So then, yung turn of events ng 3rd set and 4th set going to 5th set everybody's game. It's just the momentum. Hindi namin na-stop nung nag-commit kami ng unforced error, especially ng 5th set. Until mag 12-6 hanggang naka-recover kami to 12-15. So, kaya namin bumalik. So those things na inaayos namin, especially during training. Yung mga small details for the good and for winning a point. So yun ang inaayos namin sa mga darating pang matches namin and training.
Ayun, Coach, yun nga nabalita na ni Jaja na Japanese citizen na siya. As a charity coach and coach niya na rin dati, gano'n lang kayo kasaya? Or...
Well, ito na yung ni Jaja dream niya, kaya that's why nandun naman siya sa Japan and nakapag-asawa na rin ng Japanese, siyempre. So konti pa, mas ma-fulfill niya yung dream niya to join the Olympics. Yun lang naman ang target. That's why siya nag-migrate siya sa Japan. So I think yun ang one of the biggest dream ng bata. O hindi na pala bata, may asawa na. So yun lang. I'm happy for her na nakuha niya yung isa sa mga talagang hindi yung pangarap, hindi na siya pangarap. Andiyan na. So, I'm happy for her. Ilan na lang.
For Coach and Kat, your last game in the preliminaries is against Petrogas. So what's the team mindset going to be heading into that match?
I think it's just pretty much like every night that we finish winning a game. We can win and enjoy at this moment right now, but tomorrow's a new day. I think it's tomorrow Sunday, we'll get a little rest, and then Monday we're back to it, or maybe Monday, Tuesday we're back to it, and preparing for Petrogas, also amazing team. So just prepare for them, and also taking this experience as a way to learn and to get better at that.
Thank you.
Thank you.